Hi, my name is Henry Wu, and I'm the creator of Air Control. Have you ever wished that you could change the ambience of your car instantly to smell like a relaxing spa, soothing and invigorating? Don't you wish you had something on demand that could instantly change unpleasant odors in your car? Air Control is a revolutionary auto fragrance system that allows you to instantly take control of the air in your car. Air Control is really different from all other air fresheners out there that don't work when you really need them. And Air Control can also help you enhance the ambience when that someone special is in your car. Development of Air Control started nearly 3 years ago. I believe the car fragrance industry needed something better, something that works when you want it, something that lasts more than a week. Our Air Control can last over 2 months and is rechargeable. This patent-pending product has gone through many trials and engineering refinements to ensure performance and reliability in every detail. Air Control is cool, sleekly designed, and very easy to use. Air Control lets you control the intensity of the fragrance in your car anytime, on demand. The pump action wicking system is designed neatly inside the unit to prevent leakage and spills. Just mount it to an air vent, squeeze the bottle 1 to 2 times, and turn on the air. Instantly, wonderful fragrance flows out with no mess, filling your cars with great aroma, just the way you want it. Each fragrance bottle holds 120 shots. When you average 2 shots per day, you have more than 60 days of usage. And if you don't use your car often, it will last even longer. The fragrance stays in the bottle and does not evaporate and dry up like other air fresheners when parked under a hot sun. Air Control uses the best fragrance oils from around the world to create each unique scent. To launch Air Control, we selected 4 of the most popular fragrances for North America. Our new car scent is refreshing with a hint of cologne and leather. Vanilla, rich and dreamy. Fresh linen, clean, crisp, like laundry just out of the dryer. And Citrus Breeze, zesty, fresh, and fruity. When you're finished with a fragrance, Air Control can easily be recharged without throwing the entire unit away, which causes landfill waste. Merely pull down the empty recyclable bottle and push a new bottle back up. It's that simple. To assure that you never run out of your favorite fragrances and also make it easy for you to try new fragrance selections, we're planning a fragrance refill program on our website. You'll get the refills delivered to your door when you need them. We're constantly expanding on new fragrances to enhance our lifestyles, and we would like for you to be a part of our passion for good fragrances in your car forever. We believe Air Control is truly groundbreaking. The money that we raise will help us finalize our tooling, pay for the first production run, implement a professional marketing campaign, and get these products into your hands as soon as possible. Now we believe we have a winner. There is nothing like it, and it really works. Please join us by choosing the Air Control package that is right for you. Please share this video with your friends and like our Facebook page today. We look forward to you enjoying your drive with great controllable fragrances that you never thought possible in your car. Together we can do this. Thank you.